You guys, it's mail time. I ordered a package from eBay. I ordered a similar thing last year and I was very happy with it, so I cannot wait to open it. We're about to jump into another succulent video. If you like my channel at any point in time during this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You can hit my little blue icon in the bottom that says Lens and that will subscribe you. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. I ordered this last year, a box of cuttings, and all my cuttings did amazingly well, and 2 of them I planted on a big bank out in front of the house. And they're flourishing, they're growing, and I just think this is an awesome way if you would like to start a succulent collection. I don't know how many people are ordering that off eBay. Maybe I'm a weirdo. Oh, okay. I'm seeing some goodness in this box. I don't know the names of these. Oh my God, I see roots. Oh my God. I do not know the name of this, but it is awesome. Looks very healthy. Oh, it got busted in shipping a little. Are these the bananas? What is it? String of bananas maybe? Oh my God. Okay. You guys, I ordered this Friday and it's Monday. It's here already. I don't know how she shipped it this fast. But I should be careful touching the bottom in case there's roots. Whoa, this is cool. This isn't, there's a hair in it. I haven't even owned it but for 5 minutes and there's hair in it already. Okay, this is super cool. I don't know if you can see the like rosiness on the edge of the leaves. Am I a weirdo for ordering succulents through the mail on eBay? Cuttings. But you guys, you get so many. Oh my God. How cool is that? This can't be a succulent. It's got to be a sedum. I better stick this straight in the dirt. Okay, there's a lot of leaves. I think this broke. No. Okay, well, it looks like this broke during shipping, but look how big this is. This, I guess, is an Echeveria. Oh my God, this is just gorgeous. How pretty is this? So obsessed with these, but it's so pretty. There's no roots. You want it to get like a scab on the bottom, so you don't want to stick this in moist dirt until it's dry. Okay, so like this big leaf fell off, and I'm sure most of you succulent lovers know that this will create a new plant. So I'll just lay this in the dirt. It's not even scabbed over yet because it just fell off during shipping. There's more to uncover. Oh my God, oh my God. I think I have some of these, whatever they are. I have a bunch of them. They're really tall, and actually I believe they came from cuttings last year. Now I have like 5, but that's not what I was saying oh my God about. Dude, I have never had a snake plant this nice. Like, this is really, really nice. This is not the kind I find at Home Depot. Like, this is nice. Oh my God, I'm gonna have a lot of planting to do. This is so exciting. I did mention to the seller that I've always wanted a string of pearls. She had a string of pearls in her photo, and this thing is so delicate. I hope I can get it to root, because these things are expensive. I see little roots. There's like 2 little tiny roots that are thinner than one of my pieces of hair. It's sticky. I don't know, but all I know is I own a string of pearls now. And someone just flushed the toilet. Did you hear that? Can you hear that? Oh my gosh, you guys, how pretty is this? If I ever get married again, I am gonna carry a bouquet of succulents down the aisle. This is so pretty. This is probably why I don't have a man. But hey, this is what I like, man. This is what makes me happy. Okay, we still have some more goodies. Ooh. This is like really furry. I hope you guys can see this good against this background. This is a fine, fine specimen here. Look at this thing, it's huge. This in Home Depot in a rooted pot would be like $5.65. I mean, this is incredible. You guys, I will link this seller down below. She definitely deserves a round of applause. Okay, this is our final one besides the leaves. Okay, you guys, let me get my weird piece of paper again. Hold on. So, at first glance, this thing is ugly, and it does grow pretty big. But the cool part is, it grows little leaves. See the edges? Not little leaves, I'm sorry. It grows little, like, pink flowers. So there'll be like 10, 15, 20 pink flowers at the end of every leaf. How awesome is that? So that's it. I've taken all the big plants out. We just have a lot of leaves in here. Maybe I'll get like a bunch more plants out of this. So excited. I'm so glad I got to open this with you. Okay, you guys, so after showing you the succulents, I went and got some succulent dirt, which was just outside, and I put them all in this, not all of them, most of them in this dry container. Others that I'm pretty sure are more water tolerant, I stuck them at the bottom of this palm tree we have right here. This stuff is key. I'm using it for quite a few months now. I got this off Amazon. I will link it below. If you have succulents, if you're about to buy succulents, fertilizing is key for any type of plant. It really changes the game. So I just wanted to jump back on here and show you all this. I'll link it below. I'm a part of the Amazon affiliate program. If you do buy anything or this from my link, I will get a small kickback for referring you to Amazon. So that's a way for you to support my channel. If you would like me to keep watching videos, I would truly appreciate it. I can't wait to see how these grow. You guys have no idea how pumped I am. It's like crazy. So pumped. Oh, and let me just show you this last thing. This string of pearls. I told you I've never had it before. So this little Dollar Tree feather, since there are roots coming up in the middle, I'm just going to lay him on here for a while. So I'm going to slowly introduce these to light. And my container that the other succulents are in have holes on the bottom. I'm going to water them, let the water run through. So anyway, I just wanted to jump back on the camera and show you what I did after unboxing them. I thought it would be helpful. Stay tuned if you want to see if these things grow. They're going to grow, you guys. I'm going to make them. I got the magic succulent touch. It's a pleasure to have you here. I've really been enjoying getting to know you all, commenting with you guys, and it's been great. So I appreciate you all. Chase your dreams and don't let anyone tell you any different, because a year or two is going to pass no matter what, and you're always going to think, what if I would have started then? What if I wouldn't have given up? This is Lindsay. I'm signing off. See you on the next one.